my name is Lila. Welcome to PTGE Nusantara Turbine Services Indonesia or PTGENS. Located in Bandung, Indonesia, PTGENS is the GE B&E Fleet Global Center of Excellence specializing in gas turbine repair. PTGENS has more than 25 years experience with more than 120 diverse employees. Now, I propose you to take a tour on the site. Please follow me. The Lean methodology concept helps the service center to streamline their process and as a result, increase turnaround time of customer components so we can better meet their needs. All of this happen on just under 5,000 square meter of indoor shop footprint. Coating facility that utilizes robot-driven thermal barrier coating technology to provide the thermal and oxidation protection to metallic substrate against high temperature gas of engine hot section. Adaptive CNC and conventional machining to enable appropriate machining with the required precision, be it for turbine blades, bearings, or for other components. Turbine blade moment weigh with blade optimization software to determine the optimal arrangement of blade that will minimize the rotor's total unbalance level. The in-house vacuum heat treatment and brazing facility allows us to treat up to 2-ton capacity to rejuvenate the material structure or braze repair a specific component. Robotic surface treatment such as shot pin to ensure that the turbine blade achieves the desirable property, while the cold spray to enhance the sealing property even with a complex geometry. CMM dimensional inspection or FAROAM to provide accurate dimensional inspection for a complex geometry. Non-destructive testing such as red dye penetrant to detect the crack or linear indication for all ferrous and non-ferrous material. Fluorescence penetrant inspection has a good sensitivity for such small defects. Metallurgical testing typically use microscopy to provide important information about the structure and mechanical properties of metal and alloy sample, as well as tensile testing machine.